Hello, I'm Steve. This is Bit of Munch. And for this week's Noodle Tuesday review, I have got Urban Noodles Spicy Pho, £1.79 from Morrisons. Now, I've never had pho, so I've got no idea what it should taste like. Have you tried it? Do you like it? What does it taste like? I mean, there's a few sort of guidelines on the front here of what it should taste like. We'll go through that in a minute. When I was taking the thumbnail for this, because these colours are quite similar, it was a bit tricky to get a decent photo. Hey, you see what I did there? I couldn't resist that, could I? Okay, spicy pho, ramen noodles, ready to eat in 5 minutes, just add boiling water. 2 out of 3 chili rating, it says. Urban twist on a Vietnamese classic. Fragrant, savoury broth infused with aromatic spices and a zingy kick. Well, there we go. There's a description of what it should taste like, isn't it? Sort of. Dried noodles with a spicy pho flavour seasoning. Now, looking through the ingredients, they're not as scary as quite a lot of noodles. Quite a lot of noodles have loads and loads of E numbers in them, don't they? This hasn't got any, which is a good thing. One of the unusual things that sort of leapt out at me on the ingredients here is dried mint. Have I ever had noodles with mint in them? And will I be able to taste it? That's the other question. I kind of hope not, because I don't like mint in foods. Unless it's chocolate, of course. But yeah, some people, there used to be a thing, didn't it, to have minted potatoes or minted peas. I think I'm going back quite a few years now. I don't know if they are still a thing, but I never liked them. Not my thing. Store in a cool, dry place. Okay. 87.5 grams. Suitable for vegans and vegetarians. Gives you a few suggestions here on things you can add to it. Well, I'm not adding anything, I'm just eating them as they are. Although I might add a little bit of soy sauce, you know me. Okay, let's have a look, shall we? Pimp your nudes. Go on, pimp your nudes. Sounds vaguely rude, doesn't it? Right, what have we got in here then? Well, there's the noodle block. Urban Noodle Flavour Bomb Ramen Broth. Say on the back here. Spicy pho seasoning. Allergens, gluten, soy. Please recycle. Sachet widely recycled. Really? It's a plastic bag. What am I meant to do? Take it into Morrisons and put it in their plastic bag recycling bin? Nah, I'm just going to chuck that in the bin. That can't be recycled, surely. Yes, it can, and stop calling me Shirley. Oh, it's bad joke day, isn't it? Right, I'll get that prepared and we'll see what it's like. Right, here we go with spicy pho. The smell is really interesting. I can't identify one single thing in that aroma. You can tell there's a lot of different things in it, but there's not one smell that's overpowering the others. I wonder if that'd be the case with the taste. Right, here we go then. I mean, they're still steaming. They've had their recommended 5 minutes, plus an extra 5 minutes or so, and they're still blooming hot. First impression, chilli. Yeah, there's definitely some heat there. Obviously most of the flavour is going to be in the broth, isn't it? But we'll have a good old try of the noodles first on their own. Well, with a bit of the broth coating them. That is a really interesting taste. And again, I can't really identify one single thing. I say definitely chilli, that's the heat. It's not an overpowering heat, it's a nice warming heat. Okay. Here we go then. It doesn't look very appetising, it looks like cold tea, but here we go. Oh, that's good. Yeah, definitely. Did it say zingy? Sure it did. Yeah, zingy kick. And it's definitely zingy. That's really nice. I don't think I'm picking up the mint, which is a good thing for me. It's definitely got soy sauce in it. And I definitely don't need to add any. There is enough flavour in this. More than enough flavour. Yeah. That's really, really tasty. Yeah. Mm. And what I'm liking with this, it doesn't seem to be absolutely overloaded with salt. I haven't looked at the nutrition, let's have a look. Typical values per 100 grams as prepared. Salt 0.69 grams. Okay. Well, it's difficult to, unless I weigh that, it's difficult to know how that works out, isn't it? I mean, this is 87.5 grams. I've added water up to the fill line, up to there. So, yeah, however that works out. But I can tell, my taste buds can tell me that is not overloaded with salt. Not compared to a lot of noodles I've tried. A lot of noodles seem to rely on the salt to give them the flavour. This is relying on all the different herbs and spices and things to give it the flavour. And it's really good. As I said earlier, I think I said anyway, it's a gentle heat, a gentle warming heat. Yeah. So there you go. Urban Noodles Spicy Pho. I can definitely recommend it. It says 2 out of 3 chili rating. It doesn't really approach that, but it is a nice warming heat. It'd be something to eat on a really cold day. That would warm you up nicely. I mean, it's getting a little bit chilly, the weather now, but it's not it's not winter weather at the moment. But yeah, definitely recommend it. Full of all sorts of different flavours. Really interesting flavour. And it's different, which is good. There you go. Have an extreme close-up. Right, I hope you've enjoyed watching this one. Please let me know if you have tried pho. I really want to know what you think of it. Let's have one more spoonful actually. Aniseed? Aniseed. That's the only individual flavour I can detect. But it's not overloaded with it. I mean, to you, it might taste of something completely different, of course. All of our taste buds are different because each to their own. Right, thanks for watching this. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next video.